Hello. This is how you will create a QR code from your Excel ID data. Okay, number one, you have to look for a website that will create QR code. So we have this link. Copy this one, which is https www.qrcode-generator.com. Paste this one in your browser and go. Okay, next, choose text. So we have here text. Okay, so enter your text. Next, go to your Google Drive and open your Google Sheet containing your ID data. So this is the Google Drive where you uploaded your pictures and your ID data. So for this example, we have the NCCS ID information. Open this one, and it says copy your first name or your last name, first name, and middle name, middle initial only. So it says middle initial, so hold shift for this one until this one and copy. Okay, paste the copied data from Google Sheet in the blank field. Okay, so from this Google Drive, copy your data here, last name, first name, middle name, and paste in under this. Paste. Okay, and you notice that there's a lot of spaces in between, so we have to delete that one, leaving only one space. Okay, so we are through with this one. Paste and delete the spaces. It will generate automatically right side of the screen. At the right of your screen, here is your preview of your QR code. From the QR code blank field, copy the data. So we need to copy this data so that we can use this as a file name of your downloaded QR code. Next is the downloading the QR code. So as you can see here, there's a download.jpg. So when you click that one, it will generate a QR code. It says your QR code is being generated. Please do not refresh or exit. So that means you have to wait until such time that the QR code is downloaded. So here it is. So once it's done, you can locate the downloaded file. To make it easier, just locate the file, show the file, and rename that one. Remember that we copied the data earlier, so paste. Okay, so this is the QR code that we downloaded. We rename that file, or you can use F2 to rename. Okay, so additional information is you will base your file name here. So make it easier for the supplier to print the data based QR code on your picture, use the guide. So since this is one, you'll rename this file to 01. Okay, once you're done with the file, I want you to create a folder here inside your school folder. It says QR codes in CCS QR codes. Okay, then upload the file to this folder. Okay, so we have uploaded one file. Now, how can you check the file that you have is the correct one? You can open the file. You can open the QR code and get your cell phone. Okay, so this is your QR code. When you get your cell phone and check it, you will see that the text will appear. Okay, so that's how we're going to use you will create QR codes. Now let's try another one. Okay, number one, let's go back. Let's close this one and this one. Number one, copy this code first, then open. Okay, choose text, then go to your Google Drive where you have your data. So this is your second data, so it's copy this one, copy and paste. Okay, delete the spaces, leaving only one space, then copy so that you will use this as your file name. Okay, so it will generate automatically the QR code here, then download again. It says your QR code is being generated, please do not refresh or exit. So locate the file, then rename, then paste the copied. Okay, so as a guide for the supplier to, since this is number 2, rename the file, rename with, we are in number 202 para ma-arrange. Then since it's okay to check, I want you to check the file before uploading to the Google Drive if it's the correct name. Get your mobile phone, turn on your camera and check the QR code. Okay, you'll see that it will appear name of the second employee. Close that one, then open the Google Drive, then upload the QR code, the second QR code. Okay, so that's how you're going to create QR codes using this website. Okay, until I want you to create QR codes for all these data here. Okay, so that's all. You may try it.